Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add formula in Monday.com. It is actually pretty simple, just follow my steps. First step is to open the project where you want to add your formula. Now, in order to add it, you'll have to add it as a column, so click on Add Column. And now, from this menu, select Formula. Once the formula is created right here, you can open Formula Builder just by clicking on this plus icon right here. Now you can search for your resources, functions, and constants, or choose to use your AI assistant. You can type your formula right here and then click on Set Formula. So this is how you do that. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.